Ever feel like your life has 1,000 open tabs, and somehow you're still getting nothing done? That's not freedom. That's mental spam dressed up as opportunity. That's like saying more ice cream flavors make you happier until you're 45 minutes deep in a decision spiral, sweating over whether pistachio will ruin your night. Welcome to the paradox of choice, where the freedom you worship is the same thing shackling your brain. I'm the Dark Light Mentor, and no, I'm not here to help you pick between almond milk and oat milk. I'm here to show you how your endless possibilities are making you quietly miserable. Let's be real, you don't want freedom, you want clarity. You want someone to say, that's the path, go. But life doesn't come with GPS, it comes with a buffet. And guess what? You're not choosing. You're grazing, scrolling, hesitating, and then regretting not picking earlier. Ever bought something, felt good for 5 minutes, and then got hit with, maybe I should have picked the other one? That's not bad luck. That's your dopamine getting mugged by too many options and zero commitment. Here's your first test. Think of one choice you've been obsessing over lately. Could be a job, a project, a relationship, or just which shoe to put your future in. Write it down. Yes, now. Don't think, just drop it in the comments. Let's see who's honest enough to admit they've been mentally parked in neutral while pretending to explore all possibilities. Spoiler, you're not exploring, you're stalling. The more options you have, the more your brain turns into a terrified squirrel crossing a 6-lane highway. And while you're overthinking every detail, someone else, less talented, less thoughtful, is out there deciding, doing, dominating. That's the paradox. The smarter you are, the more likely you are to trap yourself in the illusion of keeping your options open, which is code for never choosing and always wondering. Want to influence your life? Then stop dating potential and marry a decision. And don't get me started on, what if I make the wrong choice? You will. That's the fun part. But a wrong move teaches you something. No move teaches you nothing. Clarity isn't found, it's built through action. Decision isn't a fork in the road, it is the road. Most people don't fail because they chose badly. They fail because they never chose at all. Here's part 2 of the challenge, but you'll only earn it after the end of this video. I'll give you a decision test, one that exposes whether you're actually free, or just a prisoner in a cage you decorated with Pinterest quotes. And trust me, it's going to sting in the best way. So stay locked in. While we're being brutally helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and slap that bell icon like it owes you rent. Not because I said so, but because future you is already annoyed you didn't do it sooner. Every second you wait is one more second someone else is outpacing you while you're still considering your options. And tomorrow's video, let's just say we're going deeper. We're going to talk about the one habit that silently destroys more potential than fear, failure, or even self-doubt. Miss it, and you'll stay stuck in the cycle. Catch it, and you'll never second-guess yourself the same way again. See you tomorrow, unless you're still too busy deciding.